Okay, right. So I did allude earlier something to do with MRI scans. Now, I always knew you weren't allowed to have anything metallic, as they're just big magnets, very big magnets, lift cars apparently, and all sorts. Now, I did have a few years ago an incident at the dentist where I believe when he was doing a filling, he had lost a bit of instrument snapped off. That's my recollection anyway. I could well be wrong. Anybody who knows my memory would probably agree. I could be. I did mention it at the first one, and it was fine. Off you go, and all was good. Which is when I found out what had happened. Um, Now moving on, because I was in a different area, I was speaking to a consultant, and they actually asked me to have another one. I didn't realise with two different ratings. They're all done in Teslas. It's 1.5 and 3. Basically, 3 just twice as powerful as the other one. So, which was at Preston. They have this, as I believe the other one was the smaller one. So basically, they didn't go ahead with it. I mentioned it at the last minute, and they couldn't do it. So now I'm running around trying to get X-rays of my mouth to prove whether I have something in there or not. I would say if you can, if you can get to a hospital in your local area as opposed to one outside, that is definitely a good recommendation. Certainly in the UK, they don't seem to talk to each other very easily, so that's half the problem. The consultant didn't have any notes. I had been to the doctors, given my release notes, but it still hadn't got to them, and no scans or anything. So had it been within Lancashire, then I probably would have been better in that respect. But you can't always get to your hospital of choice in an emergency. That's my MRI story, really. So we await to see whether I can have another one. All right.